Delhi University St. Stephen's College has become a COVID hotspot with 17 students and staff members testing positive for the disease. Out of these, 13 are students and the rest are staff members. Well, let's go across to NDTV Sukirti for more details. Sukirti, is college on right now? How did this happen?
Well, yes, Gargi, first to get you on what the present situation is like. So at this point the college is closed. We are standing right outside the gate. There are only security officials that are present here. Inside it is entirely empty because the college principal has issued a notice saying that there are restrictions that I am placing on the inner as well as outer perimeters of the college. All the faculty members that were scheduled to come to the college, they have been told to stay inside their homes until further notice. As far as the hostelers are concerned, there are isolation measures that have been put in place for them as well, since 13 of the ones who tested positive are hostelers. The remaining 4 people are staff members of the college. Now, as far as how this happened, there was a trip to Dalhousie on which many of the hostelers, at least 25 students, went on this particular trip. They returned on March 31st, after which many of them developed symptoms and they were tested. And that's how they got to know that the infection has spread among this group. Now, there are governing body members of St. Stephen's, including certain faculty members, who have written a letter to the principal asking him whether this trip was authorized by the principal, how come staff members were also a part of this trip, what protocols had been put in place before sending these people on a trip at a time when India is seeing a surge in COVID cases. Now, that has been written from the governing body members, but as far as the authorities' statement is concerned, the principal has issued a notice yesterday where he has admitted that at least 13 students are positive and there are these particular list of restrictions that he is putting within the premises and for hostelers as well as faculty. But definitely worrying at a time when the national capital is already seeing its highest daily cases this year, and in a college as renowned and prestigious as St. Stephen's, this has happened at a time when all of the people across the country are being told to take greater precautions.
All right, Sukirti, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So 17 people testing positive for COVID at St. Stephen's.